Hello everyone, welcome to Paytm Cellular Learning Hub. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Anand. Today we will be learning about Paytm product listing ads. This session will be conducted in English. If you have any questions during this session, please ask them by typing into the chat box. We will try to answer all your questions at the end of this session. During this session, we will discuss what is product listing ads, benefits of Paytm product listing ads, how to create an ad campaign, how to check the performance of the campaign. So let's begin. Just a moment before we start. Sorry for keeping you on hold. So let's start. So what is Paytm product listing ads? Let me tell you, it's a self-serve tool, helps you create advertisement of all your live products on Paytm Mall, on website and as well as on app. This helps you to get better visibility of your products and improve your sales by advertising relevant products to the customers. This is one of the easiest way to stand out in the market, ensuring higher visibility with sponsored ad on 6 different Paytm Mall stages, whereas on app as well as on website. Paytm product listing ads are visible on different page types of Paytm Mall website, Paytm Mall app. These page can be type of search grids, product grids that open when customer search for any keyword. Secondly, the category grid that open when customer navigates to the platform to reach a category section. For example, if a customer shop by a particular category on paytmmall.com, say men's fashion, and then choose a subcategory like t-shirt, then the sponsored product ads will be displayed in the result. Number 3, the PSP lists. These are the customized landing pages created for promotional banners. Number 4, product detail page. It shows the sponsored product ads placed on detail pages of the product and the product description page. Number 5, post-transaction screen. Here the sponsored product ads are placed on a post-transaction screen, or you can say screens that open when the customer places an order. Or we can say these are the ads placed on the order confirmation page. And the number 6, the last one, category storefront. Sponsored product ads which are placed on category stores. Here are a few examples of ad pages. If a customer searches for a shoe, then a related ad will be displayed in the search result page. Similarly, when a customer clicks on a promotional banner on Paytm Mall website or on the app, the ad will be displayed like this. Now let's discuss in detail about the benefits of Paytm Mall product listing ads. The very first benefit, it helps in increasing the visibility of your product in organic listing, meaning your product will be on the top in the searches. You can stand out among your competitors, highlighting a product in an organic grid. It will make your product visible to the right customer at the right time. Providing the right product to the customer at the right time will turn your boost, will turn your sales, and it will boost and increase your orders. Here, you can get complete control over the marketing budgets, hence enabling them to plan your marketing strategy efficiently. You will also get a detailed analysis with respect to the performance of the product listing ads campaign. Now, without any further delay, let's discuss the steps involved in creating a product listing ad campaign. So first of all, we will log in our seller panel through our login ID and password. Then we will go to the left panel. There is written PLA dashboard. Click on the tab. Here you can read all the instructions related to product listing ads. You can scroll down the page and you can also watch the video to learn it how it works. You can also read all the frequently asked questions here. Now, you need to click the checkbox and click on the Start Now button. Please note, once you agree to the terms and conditions, your default campaign will get live from the backend by using your free credit along with the amount that you have added in your PLA wallet. We will discuss in detail about the default campaign later in the upcoming slides. So once you accept the terms and conditions, your PLA dashboard will appear. Initially, no data will be visible here as you have not created any campaign yet. As soon as you opt for PLA, you will get a free credit of 1500 in your PLA wallet. You can further top up the wallet by adding the amount to your PLA wallet as per the requirement. Here you can check the PLA wallet balance. Please note, as a part of our promotional offer, you will get a free credit of 1500 in your PLA wallet. You can club with the other budgets already in your ad wallet or the additional funds you add in your wallet. And the free credit have no expiry date and can be used at any point of time. Now, let me tell you, we have two types of PLA seller packages available. One is the gold package and another is the platinum package. Gold package is provided to all those sellers who are using free credits and have not topped up their PLA wallet. In this package, you will have access to the limited features. And the second one, the platinum package. The platinum package is provided to all those sellers who have already added amount to their PLA wallet. In this package, you will have access to all the features available on PLA dashboard. Here is a list of features which will be visible to the gold members and the list of features that will be available to the platinum members. You can see that the gold members have limited number of features available in their package. In platinum, all the features are available. Now, let's learn how you can add amount to your PLA wallet. You can add PLA wallet from seller panel itself. To add amount to your PLA wallet, you need to come back to your PLA to your seller panel. Then on the left side tab, you will click on PLA dashboard. When dashboard drop downs come down, it has an option PLA wallet. Once you click on PLA wallet, A new page will appear. Enter the amount here, the amount which you want to add in your PLA wallet. PLA wallet, including GST charges. Now select the billing address from the list of warehouses added by you. Please note that the minimum amount that you can add to your PLA wallet is rupees 1770, that is 1500 plus GST charges. GST, which is 18% of the total amount. Also, in order to use this feature, make sure you have synced your seller panel with your Paytm account. Here, you can check the amount which will be added to your PLA wallet and the GST amount which will be deducted. Now, click on Add Money to proceed. You can choose your preferred mode of payment here and complete the transaction. Here, you can check the status of your transaction and download the receipt of the transaction. There are three types of transaction type. First is successful, or you can see success transaction. That means the transaction that was successful and the amount have been added to your PLA wallet. Second option comes to in process. This means the transaction which is in process, and you can check it updated after some time. And third type of transaction is failed. It means the transaction has failed. You need to make a new transaction. In case your money is deducted from a bank account, it will be refunded to your bank as per the bank policy. Bank account as per your bank policy. In order to download the transaction receipt, then you need to click on the download receipt button on the right side. This is a sample of transaction receipt. It is generated for every transaction, and you can anytime download it from the seller panel for your future reference. Please note, consolidated invoices, or you can say consolidated invoice of all successful transactions of the month will also be generated and sent to your registered email ID by the end of the month. Here is the sample of consolidated invoice. You can see the sample. This is how the consolidated invoice looks like. This month, we are running a special September offer where you can avail up to 100% additional incentive on your PLA wallet recharges. Once you have successfully added amount to your PLA wallet, the amount will reflect in your wallet on real time, and you can begin the campaign immediately. Please note, once you do the recharge, then you will be counted as platinum member. So now let's discuss the steps which are involved in creating the PLA wallet. I'll correct myself. Now let's discuss the steps which are involved in creating a PLA campaign. There are two options. You can either modify and use the default campaign created by our system, by our backend team, or create a new campaign by filling in all the required details. So let's discuss about what is default campaign. Once you accept the terms and condition for PLA, our system creates a default campaign and makes it live for you using the free credits that you have got in your wallet. You can either modify this default campaign or create a new campaign to advertise your products. Both gold and platinum package sellers can modify and use the default campaign. However, gold package sellers can modify only limited attributes. Now, let's learn the details about default campaign and how you can check your default campaign that our system has created for you. To check the same, scroll down the page in the PLA dashboard. Here is your default campaign which will be visible. Please note that this is visible to you only once you accept the terms and conditions. By default, your campaign will appear as active. This green icon means the campaign is active. Here you can check the name and the daily budget set for your default campaign. To update the budget details, selection of products and bidding rate, then click on the respective icons. Then click on budget icon to change the budget settings. Once you click on the budget button, a new pop-up will appear. You will be needed to enter the campaign details under the budget setting options. Here you can check your campaign details and modify them such as the name of the campaign, please note the name of the default campaign cannot be modified by the gold members. After this, enter your daily budget which you want to spend on ad as per day basis. Your ad will automatically stop for a day once the daily budget limit is reached. For example, if you want to spend rupees 600 daily, the set daily budget is 600. Please note that the minimum daily budget is rupees 100. Now enter the maximum spend limit, meaning the maximum amount that you want to spend on this campaign. The campaign will automatically stop once the maximum spend limit is reached. It is an optional field. You can also leave it blank. However, in that case, this campaign will run until the balance of your wallet is consumed. Now, click on Save button. After this, click on this icon to include or exclude the product manually from your campaign. Here you can select and deselect the products which you want to advertise or you do not want to advertise. You can select the product in two ways. You can select the product. Firstly, option is AI, means it will be automatically selected from your best product to advertise for a campaign. And the other one is manual. It will allow you to include those products you want to wish to advertise or exclude those products which you do not want to advertise. By default, AI mode is applied on the default campaign. It means here all the products have been automatically selected for a campaign that is best to advertise for a campaign. You can also change it to a manual mode to select the product manually. In order to include or exclude a product manually, move the toggle to the manual. Please note, this feature is enabled for only Platinum members. Now, once you have moved on the toggle to the manual, a pop-up will appear. Now click on Yes, change to manual mode. A new screen will appear. Here, you can select or deselect the product from your campaign. There are two ways to decide the product that you want to advertise, or you can either choose product inclusion mode. Here, you can select your best product to advertise which are available in your catalog. Or you can opt for the product exclusion mode. Here, you can exclude those products from the campaign that you do not want to advertise. Now move the toggle button to the inclusion mode. To select the product manually, after this, click on Edit Product Selection button. Again, a new screen will appear. Click here to filter your list of products by product ID, product name, category, brand, price, sale price. After that, click on Apply button. You can select the product by simply clicking on them. Please note, all the products which are active in your catalog will be displayed here. There is no limit on number of products you can select from the campaign. A product can be selected you can only select one product. A product can be selected for only one campaign at a time. Now, click on Save Product Selection button and the product shall be selected for the advertising purpose. After this, click on Save button. In order to set up the product exclusion mode, move the toggle button to exclusion and exclude the product manually. Now click on Edit Product Exclusion button. Again, a new screen will appear. Click here to filter your list of products by product ID, product name, category, brand price, sale price. After that, once you click on that, your settings will be saved. You need to click on Apply button. Product satisfying the above requirement will appear in the list. You can exclude the product by simply clicking on them. Please note, all the products which are active in your catalog will be displayed here. There is no limit on the number of products you can exclude from a campaign. A product can be selected for only one campaign at a time. Now, click on Exclude Select Products button and select the product which will be excluded from the campaign. Finally, click on Save and changes will be updated accordingly. Here is a small tip for you. If there is a higher number of products included in your campaign, then there will be more chances of getting a higher ROI. And by clicking here, you can view and update the type of bids and rate. There are two types of bids. First is CPC. CPC stands for cost per click. It refers to the cost that you pay for each click on your ad. Each time an ad space is available, an auction is carried out that decides which ad will be placed at the available space. For example, if you have set a CPC of ₹5 for a campaign in an auction, your bid wins and your product ad is displayed to the customer. Once a customer clicks your product ad, you will be charged ₹5 for that click. Second is ROI. ROI stands for return on investment or return on ad. It is simple the return that you get through sales, or you can say GMV in rupees, by investing in Paytm PLA. For example, if you invest rupees 100 in product listing ads and are expecting a GMV of rupees 500, then the ROI you would be 500 by 100, which is equal to 5x, that is 5 times. So you set a ROI as 5. Based on ROI target, your daily budget, and the system will automatically bid on your behalf for your product ads. Please note, bids are set on campaign level. You can update CPC or ROI bid on a category or SQL level also. Whenever a customer will click on a product ad, you will be charged for the click accordingly to the CPC or ROI set by you. If you want to select the CPC bid type, move the toggle to CPC. Here you can check CPC bid value recommended by the system. Please note, CPC bid is enabled only for Platinum members. Also, it is mandatory for you to set campaign level bids. Now, if you want to set a CPC at a category level or the product SKU level, then you can set them by the under advanced bid settings. Now, if you want to set CPC at category level, then go to set CPC bid by category and click on configure. Once you click on configure, a new screen will appear. Here you can check the list of categories, your total amount spent, and the CPC history for last 30 days, along with the CPC bid recommended by the system. Under the manual CPC column, you can set the CPC bid for a particular category and then click on save button. Please note, if you do not set CPC bid for any category, then the campaign level CPC bid will be applied to the category. If you wish to set CPC bid for a product level, then go to CPC by SKU and click to configure. Now click on CPC for new SKU. A new screen will appear. Click on this arrow to filter your products. You can filter the list of products by using the available options. You can click on, after you can select the options, you can click on save button. Product matching with the applied filter will be appear there. Here you can check the list of products, the total amount spent, the CPC history for last 30 days, and the CPC bid recommended by the system. Once you have filled the details, click on save button. You will get a notification stating that bid configuration has been saved successfully. Please note, if you do not set a CPC bid for any product, the category level CPC bid will be applied, and if the category level CPC bid is not set, the campaign level CPC bid will be applied on that product ad. You can also select an ROI target as per the choice of bid setting. To select the ROI, move the toggle to ROI. The default campaign will have a target ROI of 2. Here you can update and enter the campaign level ROI target for this campaign. You can check the ROI target value recommended by the system here. Please note, it is mandatory to set a campaign level ROI target. If you want to set ROI target at a category and a product level, then you can set them under the advanced bidding setting. Now, if you want to set ROI at a category level, then go to ROI target by category and click on configure button. Please note, this feature is enabled for Platinum members only. Once you click on configure, a new screen will appear. You can check the list of categories, your total amount spent, achieved ROI history for last 30 days, along with the ROI recommended by the system. Under ROI target column, you can set the ROI target for your particular category. Now click on save button. Please note, if you do not set ROI target for any category, then the campaign level ROI target will be applied to the category. Now, if you wish to set ROI to product level, then go to ROI target by SKU and click on configure button. Please note, this feature is enabled for only Platinum members. Now click on set ROI for new SKU button. Click on this arrow to filter the products. You can filter the list of products by using the available options. Once you select the options, after that click on apply. Product matching with of the above filter will appear here. Here you can check the list of products, your total amount spent, achieved ROI history of last 30 days, along with the ROI recommended by the system. Under ROI target column, you can set the ROI target for a particular product belonging to you. Once you have set the ROI for the product, click on save button. Please note, if you do not set the ROI target for any product, the category level ROI target will be applied. And if the category level ROI target is not set, the campaign level ROI will be applied to the product ads. In case you wish to create a new campaign, then follow these steps. Fill in the campaign details. Second, select those products which you want to advertise or do not want to advertise and set the bidding rate. To create a new campaign on a PLA dashboard, scroll down and click on create new campaign available under your campaign section. As we discussed earlier, creation of new PLA campaign is enabled only for Platinum members. Gold members can use the default campaign created by the system that we have just discussed. So once you click on create new campaign, a pop-up will appear. Under the budget settings section, you need to enter the campaign details. Here, enter the campaign name, the daily budget, and the maximum spend limit. Please note, the next section is product selection. Under the product selection, you need to select or deselect the product you wish to choose or you do not want to advertise for. To include and exclude a product manually, please follow the same steps as we discussed in earlier slides. After this, go to bid setting section. Here you need to select the type of bid for your campaign. To set the bidding rates, please follow the same steps that we discussed in the earlier slides. Your PLA campaign will get live within the mentioned time. However, Creating a campaign does not guarantee that your ads will be placed on the platform. It also does not mean that all the products that you have placed in the campaign will be advertised. It depends on the bid rate and the daily budget limit set by you also. Under your campaign section, you can check all the campaign that you have created. Also, I would like to advise you all, kindly top up your PLA wallet as earlier as possible to go for the platinum package and avail the various benefits. I hope your doubts related to the creation of a PLA campaign have been cleared. Now let's understand the PLA dashboard and how can you check your campaign performance. The PLA dashboard helps you checking your details related to performance of your campaign, such as funnel metrics, performance trend, performance contribution, campaign details, catalog performance, and category benchmark. Let's understand these in detail. When you click on PLA dashboard tab, your PLA dashboard appears. Here you can check the total GMV generated in the last 14 days via PLA campaign. Here you can select the date range for which you want to check the performance of your ad campaign, such as spend, which is the total amount that you have spent from the PLA's wallet. Ad impressions is the number of times your ad is displayed to the customer. Ad clicks is the number of clicks your product ads have received. Orders is the total number of orders that you have received through the product ads. GMV is the total revenue generated through the product ads. ROI is the total ROI achieved in the selected time period. Please note that orders and GMV are attributed over a 14-day period. This means if a customer clicks on a product ad and buys the product within next 14 days, then the order and the GMV is attributed to the product ad. Next section is performance trend. Here you can see the graphical representation of all your campaign performance. You can select any two attributes which you want to see and compare them in a graphical representation. For example, we have selected spend versus ad clicks. This graph will show the actual spend and the ad clicks on your product ads from all the PLA campaign within the selected range. Here you can also select the time interval for which you want to see the performance trend. If you further want to filter these performance, then click on the deep dive icon on the left side of the date filter. A new screen will appear. Here you will get an additional filter. Click on filter icon and you can filter the PLA performance on the basis of product category and brand name. Here you can select a date range for which you want to check the details. Here you can check the campaign performance on the basis of applied filter and selected date range. Now scroll down the page. Next section is program contribution. In this program contribution section, you can compare the product ad performance with the organic listing and sales performance, such as percentage of product views, product added to cart, received orders, generated GMV in comparison with the same received through the organic listing and sales. Now, the next section is your campaign. Under your campaign section, you can check the performance of an individual campaign. You can also modify the campaign details here. Here you can view the name of campaign. Here you can check the status of the campaign. Status of the campaign, whether it is active or paused. The screen icon as it is highlighted here. The green icon means your campaign is active. If you want to pause your campaign, simply click on this icon. A pop-up will appear. Click on yes button. If that means your campaign is paused. In case you want to relaunch the campaign, you can do the same by clicking on the pause button. Here you can check the daily budget of the campaign. Here you can view the total amount spent till date on a particular campaign. And here you can see the total ROI received or CPC charged till date on a bid you set in time by creation of a PLA campaign. By using the sort by option, you can sort your campaign according to the status, budget, creation date of a campaign, and the spend on the campaign. If your campaign is not performing well, our system will automatically notify you with a notification called Need Attention, along with the relevant suggestions. This notification shows some important parameters that you can change to improve your campaign performance. You can check the same by clicking in View Suggestions. Once you click on View Suggestion, you will get a window suggesting a way to improve the performance of a selected campaign. To improve your campaign performance, you can implement the suggestion marked in red color font. The green color font means that no changes are required. You can update the budget details, exclusion of products, and the bidding rate by clicking on the options respectively. To check the performance of a particular campaign, just click on the performance icon. Once you click on this, a new window will appear. Select the date range for which you want to check the campaign performance. Here you can check the campaign level performance trend in a graphical representation. Below this, you can check the performance metrics of this campaign. Here you can check the category wise, brand wise, product wise campaign performance. If you want to check your previously created campaign, you can click on View All Campaigns. The next section is Catalog Performance. Here you can view the product level and a category level detail of your PLA campaign. To view the product level details, click on Product tab. To view the category level details, click on Category tab. If you want to download the SKU analysis report in Excel format, then click here. Your report will get downloaded to your system. This is a sample of an SKU analysis report. This report can be downloaded by both Platinum members as well as Gold members. The last section is Category Benchmark. Under this section, you can compare the PLA campaign performance against the performance of other sellers who are also selling the same product on Paytm Mall platform. Here, you can also check your overall competitive score as compared to other Paytm Mall sellers who are dealing in the same product. First option is average daily budget. Second option is learn more. Sorry, I'll repeat again. Second option is discounted product percentage. Third option is you average as per SKU. Fourth is average product price. And the fifth is average conversion rate. Under the category benchmark, there are 6 options. I'll repeat again. Average daily budget. You can check the average daily budget of your and your industry. You can check the discounted product percentage of you and the industry. The average views per SKU of you and the industry you can compare here. Average product price, what the industry is quoting and what you are quoting. Average conversion rate, what the industry is getting and what you are getting. And the average discount percentage for the industry is giving and you are giving. So this gives the insight that how the industry is working and how you are working. So this was product listing ad campaigns. I hope your doubts regarding product listing ads are now clear. Thank you. It has been great to speak with you all today. So with that, we'll go ahead and take a few questions. Please type all your questions in the chat box. We are going to conclude this section now. If you want more information, please visit our website gobig.paytmmall.com, where you will be able to view the training guides related to every topic we discuss here. In case you need to check the list of upcoming webinars, please visit the same website gobig.paytmmall.com, and you can click on Doubt No More. Once you click on Doubt No More, the list of upcoming webinars and events will show here. You can manage your schedules accordingly. Also, we have a YouTube channel on the name of Paytm Mall Seller Training Center. We request you to kindly subscribe the same today so that you can get all the updates and you can watch all our webinars on time. Thanks again for joining us today. We will see you next time. Best of luck all the sellers. Happy selling.